If you want to merge two cells or columns in Excel, what you do is select these cells. After that, you have to click on this option, merge and center. So once you do, you can see the cells are merged. Suppose if I select these three cells and click on this option, merge and center, you can see these cells are merged. If you want to unmerge, what you do is click on this down arrow and select this option, unmerge cells. And suppose if there is a data on this second cell, for example A, B, C, and if you try to merge these two cells, then let us see what happens. You can see there is an alert message here. Merging cells only keep the upper left value and discards other value. That means only this left value will remain, whereas the other value will be deleted. If I select OK, you can see the data in the second cell is deleted. So you have to always remember, if you want to merge cells, then there should be data only on the left cell and the other cells should be empty. Now suppose if I want to combine the data which is present in these two cells and want to keep in this cell, then let us see how to do it. For that one, I will click on this cell and I have to use a function. I will start with equals to sign, click on this cell, and then I have to use this symbol which is ampersand, and then I will open inverted comma, space, close inverted comma, and then again I will press the ampersand sign, and then I will click the another cell whose data I want to combine, and then enter. You can see the data of these two cells are combined and it is in this cell. Now if you see, there is space between these two inverted comma. So what does this do is, this will make a space between these two value. Now this is one way. The other way is you can start with equals to concatenate, open the bracket, click on the first cell, comma, open inverted comma, give a space, and then close inverted comma, again comma, and click on the second cell and then close the bracket. Now this space between these two inverted comma will create a space between two values, and then enter. You can see there is a space between these two values. After that, if you want to apply the same formula for this two data, what you have to do is you have to point your mouse pointer to the lower end of this cell, and you can see this symbol will be changed to this plus sign. After that, press the left button of the mouse and then drag it down, and you can see the same formula will be applied to this cell also.